Hello people, this is my guide on designing and 3D printing a wheel spacer for my remote control cart / lawnmower. I needed these wheel spacers because this cart isn't stable enough. This is a design made in Fusion 360. First I made a circle 109 millimeters, then an inner circle of 53 and extruded by 16 in height. Then again I made a circle with a 10 millimeters height. The same on the bottom, just that I extruded by minus 10 millimeters. These are the 3 holes. There's a simple tool, circle pattern. When you select the circle and then the center point and the quantity is 3, okay, and then select all the 3 circles and extrude by minus 60. So there we have it. This is the complete design. Using Cura, I exported to 3D printer. I was using ASA filament, 110 degrees and 100% infill density. So I started the 3D print. It was a long procedure, but it was worth it. Each spacer was printed in about 1 day and 5 hours. Took apart the wheel. Then I cut 6 screws. And mount them to the plate. I put on the wheel spacer and then the rim itself. This is the finished project. Now the RC cart is very responsive. That's it. Thanks for watching.